Nothing between many hard trials, though the whole world against me convene, watching with dread and much self-denial, triumph at last with nothing between, nothing between my soul and my Savior, so that His blessed face may be seen. Nothing preventing the least of His favor.